Hey guys, welcome back to my Infinite Painter tutorial. Today, we'll draw this beautiful cyber city illustration. First draw the guide, enable the vertical symmetry tool and draw a V in the middle, then disable the tool. Create a layer on the top. Enable the grid tool and draw some houses and buildings around the edges of the V. Close all the gaps and fill color on it using the Paint Bucket tool. Add some curves and small details on it. Details like lamps, pipes, wires, railings, antennas, etc. Using this option, you can disable the grid tool. After you're done, close the top part as well, and fill the color on it also. Create a new layer below it or just clear the guide layer, and fill this color on it, then add some yellowish shade on it. Create a layer on top of this layer and draw an arc and lower the opacity of this layer then. Merge this layer with the bottom layer. Now, create a layer in the middle, and enable the rectangle tool, then draw some tall buildings. After that, fill the color on them. Enable the grid tool again and add some details on them. Enable the alpha lock on this layer. Create one more building layer below it using the grid tool and rectangle tool. After you're done with buildings, enable the alpha lock of both building layers and add some pink shade on them. Enable the grid tool and create a new layer below the building layers, then draw some extra antennas and wires on them using different color. Draw a crescent moon. Lower the opacity of this layer. Create a layer on the top for the sun. Duplicate it and lower the opacity. Then use the transform option to increase its size. Tap on the stamp option to create more duplicates. Merge both duplicate layers and create one more duplicate of the original sun layer, and repeat the process one more time. Merge all the duplicate layers again. Enable the alpha lock of the original sun layer and add some shades on it, then merge this layer as well. Create a layer below the sun layer and draw some stars on it. Enable the alpha lock on this layer, and add some color shade on it. Then add the blur filter on it. That's it, it's done. Thanks for watching. If it helped, then like the video, and subscribe, for more videos like this.